What is going on, guys? Glad to be back. My name is Vlad Bulbin, and today I'm going to be showing you guys the EQUITYprime platform. This is education tools, analysis, and trade alerts on the stock market, brought to you by the platform iGENIUS. Guys, this is a financial education platform that helps you make, manage, and save more money with leveraging all the financial markets. That's stocks, crypto, forex, and today, as I said, I'm going to be focusing on the stock market. Now, before I proceed, guys, iGENIUS is not a registered financial advisor, broker, or dealer. This is financial education. Please do your own research, as financial investing is risky. Now, with that being said, guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you what we got over here. Like I said, a bunch of different products and services, all different markets, but today I'm going to be focusing on stocks. The stocks is not, I'll be honest, they're not the sexiest market to participate in, especially now with all the crypto craze and all the volatility. But like I said, it is one of the options to make money with. It is a very traditional form of investing, and a lot of investors do prefer stock market investing. So without further ado, guys, EQUITYprime. What is EQUITYprime? EQUITYprime offers comprehensive education and research for those looking to participate in the equity market, aka the stock market. EQUITYprime provides access to 3 unique strategies brought to you by different traders in the stock market for members of iGENIUS. Now, with that being said, Trendpro is the first one. This seeks to capitalize on trends in the NASDAQ 100 index. For those of you who don't know, NASDAQ is a major stock exchange with leveraged ETFs. So exchange traded funds that basically depict the movement of the NASDAQ up and down. So traders will send us alerts, push notifications to our phone that will tell us when to buy, when to sell the NASDAQ on up and down movement, so we can make money both ways. This is designed basically to capitalize on the trends in the NASDAQ and do better than just buying and holding and riding it through the ups and downs. We have here that I'll show you guys in a bit. You can actually join the Trendpro alert channel, where you'll get these push notifications sent from market professional from iGENIUS that will actually send these push notifications to your phone and tell you exactly what to do. I'll show you guys in a minute. Portfolio Pro is the second one. This is designed to basically build a portfolio, shining light on powerful opportunities in the traditional stock market. I really like this one. And last but not least, Options Pro. Options Pro is the most lucrative service as part of EQUITYprime, I would say. And it basically employs, a variety of powerful option strategies to capitalize on individual and broad stock market activity through ETF and equity options. What does that mean? Basically, trading options, guys, is like buying a contract where you're betting on the future of a stock. So you're not actually buying a stock and holding a stock. You're betting on the future. You're buying it at a prefixed price, and you're betting the price is going to go up or down for the future. All right, and I'll show you guys in a minute. So let's start with my favorite, actually, Portfolio Pro. Let's actually go into some real results in the channel and see what we got here. So Portfolio Pro, this is how the channel looks. And we get alerts that look like this, basically telling us what company we're going to be buying today. All right. And when we're going to be buying it, how much money we're going to be putting into it, the duration, and a stop loss to help mitigate risk. Also, these are associated all with videos, comprehensive videos telling us exactly how to do this with our own broker. All right. And of course, updates as we follow along, which is really, really cool. I'll show you guys some results that we've got from Portfolio Pro in the last little while here. We got a good summary. As you can see here, guys, 23 different alerts issued by our professional traders, and with a winning percentage on average of 3.73% per alert on average. Obviously, guys, there are wins amongst losses, but of course, there's more wins than losses. That is the whole idea of trading and investing. Over time, we got 3.73% on average between 23 alerts, guys. That's an 85% gain, all right, in the last, 14 months. We got September 2020 to November 2021. 14 months, that's 85% return on investment. Guys, the average American, the average Canadian gets 3 to 6% on their money per year. This is 85% in 14 months. That's absolutely crazy, guys. Absolutely crazy. See here all these alerts. This one gave us 30% return on our investment from the entry recommended by iGENIUS. Very, very cool stuff, guys. Very, very cool stuff. Of course, there are live sessions that accompany these. Like I said, videos that tell you exactly how to participate with these alerts. All right, let's go into Trendpro, guys. I think you got the point of that. So Trendpro is a little more simpler. You're not actually creating a portfolio of stocks. You're going to be basically trading the NASDAQ 100. It's a major stock exchange in the US. And this is how it looks like. You're going to get an alert basically telling you either to buy or sell the NASDAQ, a NASDAQ ETF. All right, whether buying low, selling high, it will tell you in the trade. It'll also follow with a video. All right, and there are also live sessions that accompany these alerts on a weekly basis. So let's go over to see some results here. Trades are issued every other day, every couple days or so, really depending on the movements of the markets and the volatility and when the opportunity sees best. So here we have November 1st, we have an update for Trendpro's performance. For the calendar year 2021, we've completed 36 alerts, 29 winning, 7 losing, winning percentage 80%. Means obviously there's more wins than losses. Average percent return per alert is 0.77%. So with 36 completed trades and an average of 0.77% per alert, that's a 28% gain, guys, in just 10 months. So this is issued on November 1st. This is 10-month gain of 28%. That's insane, guys. Like I said, average person gets 3 to 6% in 401ks, mutual funds. If you're using, if you're putting your money just in a savings account, you're barely getting 1%. So having 28% in 10 months, this is massive. Of course, this doesn't include your trading fees, guys. Some exchanges, you have Quest Trades, TD Ameritrade. In Canada, if you're using Wealthsimple, you do have trading fees, but trading fees do not, make up 28% of your gains. And this is some significant profit that you can be making here, which is really, really cool, guys. All right, so that's Trendpro for you. If you see here, Options Pro, like I said, the most lucrative strategy as part of the EQUITYprime platform. Options Pro trades the future contracts of stocks. So you're betting on the future price at a prefixed price, basically, of a stock. It looks very lucrative. I'll show you guys, this is how many factors are involved in trading options and the kind of parameters that are inputted here. It's difficult to actually get a percent ROI for all these different trades. They're not clearly indicated on a lot of them, but I can show you guys, for example, right here. On the 29th of October, we got an alert for CBS, an option on CBS that gave us a 24% return on investment, which is very, very cool. And you can see here, hasn't been any losses thus far in this calendar year as I'm scrolling back. You can see here, puts are sells, calls are buys. So when the trader recommends to put something, the future price of the stock will go down. A call is predicting the future price of the stock will go up. Let's see here. We have a first loss here with Alibaba, that's a stock, was the first loss on 31st of August. Difficult to identify the percent lost on this, but depends obviously on the spread, depends on how much you've risked in this trade here. But like I said, this is the first loss that we've seen this year. So obviously we can see the gains have outweighed the losses significantly. We keep scrolling back here. We go back all the way to still no losses here. Right here, we can see we got a trade for a 90% return on investment, massive, just in one trade here. And we can see here at the end of April 2021, we got an update on the Options Pro alerts from the beginning of 2021, essentially. In this period, the Options Pro yielded a return on investment trade of 166% on a single trade. This was insane. This is on a FedEx trade. And over here, they mentioned that they had one loss of minus 1.70 per spread. That's a negative 18% return on investment, which is obviously much, much outweighed by the 166. So as you guys can see, Options Pro also a very, very effective strategy as part of the EQUITYprime platform. That concludes the EQUITYprime platform. Like I said, so many different ways to to get involved in these financial markets. The stock market is one of them. EQUITYprime, of course, is a very effective solution to making money in these massive financial markets. Guys, if you aren't already part of iGENIUS, feel free to reach out to me, ask me any questions, how to get started, how to make, manage, and save more money by using these financial markets. And if you're already part of iGENIUS, I hope this helped you gain some more insight on the EQUITYprime platform. Guys, happy trading and investing. I'll see you guys soon.